Built in December 2021 by the Off-Grid Garage. Andy. Yo, that's me guys. Welcome back to another video here from the Off-Grid Garage in sunny hot Australia. We are finalizing the battery shelf and we have mounted the bottom cover already with a secret area underneath. And I'm going to oh, it's heavy. And I'm going to remount the gland plate here again with one hand. It is totally impossible with one hand. I need to put you somewhere here. And by the way, this will be the last time we take off the gland plate now. So from now on, we only have access from the front to the shelf. Wow. Okay, hand tighten all the screws on the back here for the very last time. Yeah, there's a bit of a fuck up there. Because this shelf support, they've got these prefabricated holes in there. And sometimes my measurement was a bit off. And I just hit one of the holes here. That's why I needed two holes. One to hold the panel and one for circulating air. Yeah, this little sentence, "you found a secret area," is from a video game back in the 80s, I think. It was one of the first multiplayer games we played ever, connected to computers with a serious cable, and played Doom against each other, with each other. And there were always these hidden rooms, these hidden areas, and there was always writing on the wall, "you found a secret area." Sometimes there were good weapons in there or other level ups, but you never knew where these secret areas were. They were just hidden behind the wall. It looked like a normal wall, but you could go through it. Well, not like this. This is a massive build now. Man, that looks industrial, stable, massive build. Nice. Really happy with that. Side panel, I need to get off all these fingerprints here. They look really like shit. The other side panel. And this will be the only access we have from now on. The front. With all the batteries in it, BMSs, cabling. I like it. And this is our top compartment. There you go. Well, this one doesn't belong there. 12 volt and 5 volt area. 48 volt bus bars. And connections to the switchboards. Circuit breakers. And gland plate at the back. Man, I was waiting for this moment for so long, and now it's finally here. Okay, let's clean this stuff up a little bit here. Does anyone need an antenna? Guys, look at all this space here. That is insane. How much space we have. And look at all this timber. That's a full wheelbarrow full of timber. All made out of old pallets. That was 2009, I think. And look at this insane space here. So I vacuumed off all the concrete floor here. Cleaned up all the shelves here. I've removed all the fingerprints on the backside. Looks nice and shiny. Okay, there are still some marks on here, but that's okay. Let's move this one into this space there and see if it fits. think that's it. I think we are touching the beam already up here in the corner. So there's a bit of a gap, but this is just how the garage is built. It's not really 100% straight. No, seriously, all these beams, they are not 100% straight. They are not leveled. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think this is pretty much touching the back, this horizontal beam here, and here as well. Yeah, that looks good. There's no gap. There's a gap down there. That's fine. I was just going to actually mount it somewhere over here to the beam at the back, so I cannot tip over. Oh, and look how tight this is to the electrical cabinet here. See, and this is the exact reason I moved this one further to the front here, because there would be no space. If the electrical cabinet is closed, you couldn't reach the... Well, these ones are fine, but this one is the main switch and needs to be accessible all the time. See, and now you can see how short actually the cables need to be from the solar charge controllers all the way down there into the rail, and then they come back in on these glands here and go to the circuit breakers here at the front. And even the inverters here on this side here, they haven't got a long way. This is less than 3 meters to the actual circuit breakers. Yeah guys, I think this is all I'm doing today. There was a lot of work actually. It took me a couple of hours to get the rear panels mounted and screwed onto the shelf and clean this all up here, remove the old shelf and vacuum this all off here. And now, well, it's in place. I want to connect the shelf actually with this beam here, so there's no way anyone can actually tip this one over here. It needs to be one with the garage. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all your support here. Thanks for almost 20,000 subscribers here on the channel. We actually can still make it in 2021. I'm keen to see if we can make it. There were only 150 or something missing when I looked the last time. So there's a very good chance we can hit the 20,000 subscribers end of 2021. That is amazing. What a great way to end this year. Alright guys, until the next video, you stay charged, and thank you so much for watching again. See you then, bye bye.